So hey everyone, this is lecture number 1 of our Java programming course. Okay, so let's start here. Let's start. सबसे पहले हम शुरुआत करेंगे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज से. So in the lecture number 1 we will understand what is programming language. प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज होती क्या है यार. सबसे पहले हम इस क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके, सो as we all know यार, we actually use many languages to communicate with other peoples like English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. Okay, so actually what is the purpose of languages? Okay, so languages are used to communicate and instruct somebody to perform some task. Same as that, programming language is also used to communicate and instruct to a machine to perform some task. Okay, programming language is same as a normal language, but in the context of machine. Okay, in the context of computers, etc. Okay, so if we go with the definition wise, अगर definition wise जाए तो programming language, we can say programming language is used to communicate and instruct to a computer to perform a task. Okay, so basically using programming language we can instruct to a computer or a machine to perform task. Okay, so apart from this, let's talk about type of programming languages. So there are many types of programming languages: low level languages, high level languages, and logic programming language, scripting language, etc. Okay, so what is low level language? So low level language which is easily readable and understandable by the machine, not human, machine only. And what is high level languages? So high level languages are the languages which is easily readable and understandable by the human. Okay, so examples for high level languages are Java, Python, C#, C++, etc. Okay, and example for low level languages are like binary code, assembly language. Okay.